Here's the main entrance. MGTF there, another one there. Some cars leaving here, the Longbridge Rally 2019. Rover 600 from the 1990s. Rover 25. MGF. And the further MGs coming out here. MGFs and TFs. Some will come here to stop for photographs. Oh, it looks like one of the ones is look like that's probably a, I should say it's probably not a demonstrator, could well be one of the ones that are development process cars there. Like a bigger version than theirs and GS, so watch this space, might be in the car magazines in a few months. There's a new model, there we are. We might come the MGs, MGTFs, X-Power there. There we are, various colours here. Lovely MG 1300 there. Maestro, the 80 there we are, MGTF. There we are, various colours coming out here from the Longbridge Rally here at Longbridge. It's held in Cofton Park, just across the road from me here.